Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can slay this Misa Amane from Death Note outfits in DTI. So now we are channeling Misa Amane with this DTI transformations, and it's giving full Yandere glam with a side of slay. Now let me show you how you can create this look. Of course, let's start with the hair first. So first I'm going to put on this bangs and color it blonde like this. And also I'm going to combine it with this long wavy hair. This one with the same color. And lastly, I'm going to go to the updo category and use this Harley Quinn hair but with no bangs and change the color the same. Okay, so if you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So first, I'm going to go to the women's sections in here and put on this black top in here, black corset, and I'm going to just leave it as it is. And I'm going to combine it with this skirt, these two in here, change the color into all black. Then I'm going to put on this sleeves in here and change the color into black, and also this stockings and change it or to go into opaque and change the color using this flower pattern, this one. And as for the shoe, I'm going to use the boots from Code Items, this line of boots, this one in here, and change the color to all black. So you're done with the outfit. Now you can just put on some accessories. So I'm going to put on this necklace in here and also this necklace at the top. And lastly, I'm going to put on this bow on the hair, change the color into black. Then you can do some adjustment. I'm going to make the scale smaller and adjust the position. So now this is the final look for Misa Amane from Death Note. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.